We have an update on the electric Hummer, which is coming up. It's a very subtle, secretive type of update here. We talked about this electric Hummer because they teased it a few times now. They keep showing us a little bit more here and there. Of course, the Hummer, a very popular product all the way back in, when was it? 2006 was the peak. They sold 71,524 Hummers. That's a long time ago.
Yeah.
Anyway, then people were against the whole gas guzzling concept. But now you don't have to worry about it because it's all electric. So go ahead and guzzle away. And in this video, that's exactly what's going on, sort of. It gives you a bit of a preview of this upcoming Hummer from distance. And then it shows you a feature called Crab Walk. And you see how that goes, Will? How do you feel about that?
That's actually pretty cool.
So it's a diagonal movement to the truck.
Yeah.
Where all four tires are capable of moving in a singular direction, which of course would allow you to maneuver in such a way that would be impossible without the Crab Walk feature. For an off-road vehicle, this is kind of interesting, depending on what you're trying to avoid. Maybe you're trying to avoid a crab. But also for a really big vehicle, maybe trying to get into a certain parking spot.
I would, yeah.
Or maybe just a party trick. Maybe that's the suggestion here in the Jalopnik article. You know how people who own Teslas are constantly showing off, they can check out the party mode, or I can play video, you know. So you could imagine a bunch of dudes that are like, well, check out my Crab Walk. And then they throw it on the Hummer and everybody's like, whoa, all four tires are going diagonally. Cool. Sometimes
it's something.
Sometimes what does it say there? Sometimes the biggest leap forward is diagonal. Is that what it said? Of course, they try to make it a whole artistic thing. Sometimes the biggest leaps forward are actually diagonal. Ooh, mysterious. The world's first all-electric super truck. They're not getting away from that super truck terminology.